Okay, here we have the Cooper's Canadian Blonde. This is a typical Canadian style beer. It's a golden lager style, and it's got a balanced malt. The hop flavors are fresh and clean at the finish, so you don't have to worry about being too bitter. This is a great drinking beer anytime, anywhere. I like this beer. It goes really well if you have the brew enhancer, so we always recommend to add either 1 kg of dextrose or corn sugar. That really helps. It helps with boosting the alcohol content as well. But the other thing is that we also, for this one, I would add maybe like a light or an amber dry malt to accentuate or fill up that body if that's what you're looking for. If you like it lighter, then stick with the 1 kg dextrose. There's nothing wrong with that if that's what you like. I always say that you make the beer to what you like, and this makes 60 bottles of beer at 350 mils, so it's a great deal for making some good quality homemade beer.